Alright, this is a clip of me looking around, showing the job site here. We're working in this corner to the right here. There's a column, or I don't know what you'd call it, but it's concrete. We're gonna cut it off piece by piece, you'll see here. But first I have to fill some of this in with some stone, and then I have to start benching off a bench to the left of where he's walking right now to get up into that corner. We have to watch these micro piles that are off to the right. One got bent from another company and they had to cut it off, so we're gonna be careful with those on this job. So yeah, so I'm gonna move some dirt here at the excavator, well, some stone, just throw some out of the way so I can get the skid steer in behind it and start pushing it down in with the skid steer. No compaction or anything, because this is just temporary. We're just pushing the stone down in there so that the dirt don't basically fill up that hole, because they have to dig it back down because there's a micro pile that got bent and they had to cut off, so they have to fix that. But we're covering it up for now with stone so we can get in and do our work, and then they're gonna excavate the stone back out and fix that micro pile. So alright, so I skipped forward a hair there. It was just the safety guys and project managers and stuff like that, guys like that, coming in to talk a little bit and discuss what we're doing. But this is me moving on now, so get this stone pushed down in here and I'll jump back in here when I need to do some more explaining. Okay, I'm gonna start benching this off now. I'll pull this concrete piece out of the way because it would have fell in regardless, but I gotta bench this off because I have to get up and past that black pipe there, which is new sewer pipe that can't get messed up too much. It ain't the end of the world if I bump it, because it's only like 3 feet down from where it's at. It goes into an elbow and it'd be easy to fix, but obviously we're going to try to avoid that. I gotta get clean up in here because that concrete that you see that's like to the left of them 2 micro piles, that is what we're removing. It's like an old vent shaft type deal. There's vents that come out into it. I don't know, it's got to be like 25 feet down from the top of it. We only have to cut a little over 12 feet off of it, but I got to be able to pick them pieces off, and this 305, it can lift a good bit, but it's a foot thick, maybe a little bit more. Definitely pushing it, and if I wasn't in dirt, it'd be a little easier because the machine would be more stable if you were on like concrete or something. But since we're in this loose dirt and then it was raining a few days, definitely was pushing the limits of what this machine can handle comfortably. But either way, we get them all off, and actually I kind of started dragging them off because there wasn't really much that could hurt, so instead of rigging them up every time, I just kind of started eventually dragging them off. But see here, I'm just getting rid of these shrubs here. All this stuff will get in the dumpster, and yeah, just get this dirt benched off, and you'll see the saw we set up. It's like a concrete track saw. It mounts to the wall, and we'll start cutting pieces and lifting them off here. Alright, so the goal of this job, now that I got that benched out and kind of got a second to talk, we're taking that whole corner piece down 12 feet. It's like an old exterior like vent, but it gotta get down 12 feet, so they're setting up the wall saw now, and they'll cut it into, I think, a 4x, I forget what size that they're going after, but small enough I can lift it off with the machine, and we'll slowly remove it in pieces the way down. I'll keep digging down, and we'll reset the saw up and cut it down. Should be an alright little job here. Alright, that's gonna pretty much wrap up day one here, just getting this going. I'll put up more videos as this job progresses here. I'm just gonna finish up this video moving these pieces out of the way, and then they're gonna bring in a piece of plywood and cover up the hole, and I'll put the bucket on it, and that's gonna be the first day here. So Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more stuff like this, similar stuff, I got other videos like farm related stuff and doing a Ford Raptor project, which I'm gonna be putting more videos up of that soon. So here pretty soon we're gonna be pumping out a lot more videos. So go ahead and like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.